Good morning,
Thank you.
everyone. I am Shweta from Guinea's Planet, and I have with me Guinea from Guinea's Planet and Deepak. So, before we talk to Deepak, a quick reminder to all of you on 25th October, which is Sunday, we have 23 events happening of 30 minutes each, and they are for children and adults. So, no matter what age you are, do try to join in because we might have something for you, no matter what your interests are, right? From music to cooking to drawing, social work, minimalism, compost making, uh, and much more. So let's get to know Deepak because Deepak will be meeting you at 9 a.m. that day for 30 minutes to talk about robotics and artificial intelligence. But before we come to the topic, Deepak, can you please tell us and the audience who you are?
All right. Thanks, Shweta. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to reach out to children on this forum. I've always admired Ginny's Planet and what the mission that you are accomplishing and trying to achieve because it's very rare to see people trying to use, create an opportunity and awareness of people who suffer from disabilities and trying to send a message that, you should not treat them as different from yourself and you need to treat them as just another normal individual, and that is a really really fantastic and wonderful thing that you're doing. From my side, well, I mean, I am 45 years old, born brought up in Delhi, and but uh, past 20 years I've been in professional service, primarily in sales, always working in digital and new media. So that's kind of been my work experience. That I joined an online company back in 2000 when most Indians didn't have internet. So I mean, I've always been kind of trying to join the trend before it becomes a trend. And for the past 3.5 years, I've been
Right.
working with a robotics company, and they are one of the pioneers in India for autonomous driving. So, the Tesla cars and the Google cars. So, we have our own self driving bus, which can drive on its own on Indian highways, which means that apart from cars and trucks, it also needs to identify people and cows and dogs and cats, which can just suddenly come in its path. And we have about 100 plus patents in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. And I would like to take this opportunity to give a brief perspective, at a kind of like a very broad perspective on what artificial intelligence is. I know a lot of people tend to get confused on what actually it means, and people are not aware that it's not something for the future, and it has been with us for the past 50 years. So it's not something which just emerged recently. I mean, artificial intelligence is a subject which is about 60 years old, started during World War II, to be honest. And that's why I just want to share a little bit of my perspective and knowledge on what it is. And I'm very thankful to you for giving the opportunity to do that.
Right. So when you say all this, Deepak, and you say how artificial intelligence is 50 years old, of course, it reminds me of Terminator series, Terminator 1, 2, and all the series, which I think our generation has watched and grown up with. Um, but tell us now, what should people expect from your session when they come that day? Of course, you've already said that you want to introduce this topic, but should they come with some understanding already, or they can be just blank slates, knowing nothing, and still come and then gather something?
Well, I'm not a real expert here, so it's perfectly okay for people to come without any preconceived notions or understanding of what artificial intelligence is. With respect to your question of the Terminator series, well, that is pure science fiction, and despite all the progress artificial intelligence has made in the past few years, we are still at least a generation away from that. That's what the scientists say.
Right. Okay. So, Deepak, many people, especially students, have expressed interest in your session. Um, so we hope that they will turn up because Deepak's session, for the benefit of audience, I'm repeating again, it's from 9 to 9 a.m. I know it's a Sunday. I know it's a festival day, but I think it'll be worth it if you can wake up early and come for that sessions. And also remember, you can join from any time zone because for us, it does not matter where you are. You can pay and book from anywhere and join this event. So before we close, Deepak, can you just uh, like share as to why are you willing to give this time free? And I'm asking that also because I know that along with you, many other resource persons, they worked hard to prepare for that session. Like you've worked on your presentation and you've decided as to how are you going to take the workshop forward. And it's a lot of effort. It's not just 30 minutes. You've given hours. to it already. So what is making you do that?
Well, Shweta, to be honest, I mean, I don't see that as an effort or as no extra effort. To be precise, I mean, I would like to contribute to the cause, and as I said, your cause is a fantastic and wonderful cause. And if I can, just invest a couple of hours of time on my side, I think that's time well spent to helping you spread the message about Ginny to the whole world. And it's a message which needs to be propagate it as wide and as far as possible. So I don't see that as an extra work. I just see as a little bit of my part in contributing to you.
Thank you. Thank you for saying that. Uh, so again, before we close, thank you, Deepak, and thank you everyone for watching this conversation. And Deepak and I look forward to having you on 25th October. Just go to guineasplanet.com, check our webpage on A Day on Guineas Planet, see the 23 events that we've planned for you, book either one event if you want to come only for one event, but it'll be worth it if you book a whole day pass and join as many events as possible. Also, remember that the workshops for children have limited spots because facilitators want limited spots on those in some of those workshops. So you should book your pass and then specify your choices very, very soon, because we have started sending the forms for those who've already booked the whole day pass, so that if we have to block their spots, we can, and we can tell the facilitators as well. So thank you everyone, and thank you, Deepak. I look forward to seeing you and everyone else.
Thank you, Shweta, for inviting me. I look forward